Understanding the basics of frameworks and libraries. In software development, both frameworks and libraries are collections of pre-written code designed to simplify coding tasks. While they serve similar purposes, their roles in application development differ significantly. Understanding these differences can help developers make informed choices about which to use in their projects. Defining a framework, structure and control. A framework provides a predefined structure for building applications. It dictates how the code should be organized and often includes a specific workflow. When using a framework, developers must adhere to its conventions, which can lead to increased efficiency but also limits flexibility. Examples include Angular and Ruby on Rails. Defining a library, flexibility and control. In contrast, a library is a collection of functions and tools that developers can call upon when needed. Libraries offer more flexibility because they allow developers to choose which parts of the library to use and when. This means developers maintain greater control over the flow of the application. Examples of libraries include jQuery and Lodash. Inversion of control, frameworks versus libraries. One of the key distinctions between frameworks and libraries is the concept of inversion of control. In a framework, the framework itself calls the code written by the developer, controlling the flow of the application. In a library, the developer calls the library's functions, retaining control over the application's flow. Use cases. When to choose a framework. Choosing a framework is often beneficial for larger projects that require a structured approach. Frameworks typically provide built-in functionalities, making them ideal for applications with complex requirements. They also encourage best practices, which can enhance code quality and maintainability. Use cases. When to choose a library. Libraries are better suited for smaller projects or specific functionalities within larger applications. Developers can integrate libraries as needed, enabling them to customize their code without adopting a rigid structure. This approach allows for quick prototyping and experimentation. Performance considerations. Impact on speed. The performance of frameworks and libraries can differ based on their design and use cases. Frameworks may introduce overhead due to their structure and additional features, potentially affecting application speed. In contrast, libraries can be more lightweight, allowing developers to load only what they need, which can enhance performance. Conclusion. Making the right choice. Understanding the differences between frameworks and libraries is crucial for effective software development. The choice depends on the project's requirements, complexity, and the level of control desired. By evaluating these factors, developers can select the appropriate tools to optimize their coding efforts.